Hey guys, this is my review of the Ducky One. I got it in Cherry MX Browns and it has a red LED switch. Comes with that. Here's the keyboard, here's what the brown sounds like. I'm recording on a Sony Z3 so it's not the best quality. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I got the USB out and something to note, when I held it, it's solid. I mean, listen to that. I love it. Also, there's a small USB port down here, as you can see. Hope it focuses. Yeah, there you go. That's where you plug in the USB, and then there's a little pass-through here for wire control. Alright guys, I played around with it for a bit, and here are the lighting modes with the red LED switch. For now, right now it's off. First lighting mode, all on. Let's see how bright it can go. Looks like that's the max brightness. This is the least bright. It's actually, my camera's actually picking it up brighter than it is, so it's actually pretty dim. It looks like the numbers are all colored in real life. Alright, next mode is the breathing effect. Again, this is the lowest setting. If I bring it all the way up, can't really tell, but yeah. Next mode is raindrop or ripple effect. No, sorry, this is the raindrop, yeah. Randomizes it all over the keyboard. Next mode, my favorite, reactive. And you can also set the speed of how it reacts. So if I make it really fast, or really slow, however, sorry, like that. Let's make it really fast. Can't even. Next mode is, yeah, wave effect. Yeah, there we go. Right. Overall, I'm really happy with this. I actually woke up this morning and decided to buy it. I was researching about mechanical keyboards for a bit, and this one was at my price point. I live in the Philippines and it's actually 5,000 pesos, so roughly, let's do a quick calculator here. I don't know how fast. Oh, that's great. Look at that. What's 5,000 divided by 48, I think, for a dollar $104, more or less. So yeah, this helps you guys decide if you want to buy a Ducky or any mechanical keyboard with a brown switch and red LEDs. I really like this one, and let me know if there's anything else you want to know about this keyboard. Thanks.